Doing what we do, it's not easy. You don't need just years, but generations.
It's like sculptural poetry.
It's a labor of love. Really, I love my job.
Like a little heart.
To beef or not to beef? Questa è la questione.
Every single community has to preserve his history.
If we cease doing what we were doing, we lose a key part of Irish culture.
Es parte nuestra y él es algo que es nuestro, que debemos defender, de cuidar y promocionar.
For me, it's really fantastic to be part of this crazy adventure.
For us, it's not only a job. Yes, it's more than a job.
Your imagination can take it where you want it to.
The biggest secret to making anything is love.